How to hard reset POCO M6 Plus. Step 1. Start by powering off your POCO M6 Plus using the power button. Step 2. Next, simultaneously press and hold the power button and volume up button. Step 3. Release the power button when the POCO logo appears, but continue holding the volume up button.